Have you ever wondered why some therapists have clients who stay for years while others struggle to keep them coming back? I'm Dr. Ben Benjamin, and in this video, I'll share 7 practical tips to help you connect with your clients, build trust, and create a loyal following. 1. When you do your initial intake, you connect with them and really listen. It should not be a cold experience with a series of questions and answers. It's the first step in establishing your professional relationship with them. When they speak, you really listen. 2. You make eye contact with the client as they speak. That doesn't mean, staring at them. It means really looking with curiosity and interest. 3. You paraphrase what they're saying from time to time. They know you are listening if sometimes you paraphrase what you heard. You might say, "I want to make sure that I understood what you said." Then in your own words, you repeat back what you understood and ask them if you got it right. 4. You give them the treatment they requested. If a client comes in complaining about neck pain, this is where your focus should be. So many therapists learn a routine in school and give the same mechanical massage to every client. The secret of a successful practice is the ability to design a treatment tailored to the client's needs. If a client has been in pain for a long time and no one took the time to find out the root of the problem, the client is likely frustrated. If you have the assessment skill and educate the client about what is really going on and help them, you build trust and commitment. You can see a demo of how I do this when you click on the link in the description below. 5. You check the pressure with some frequency. Many clients will not tell you even if what you're doing makes them uncomfortable or it hurts, whether it's too much pressure or too little. Both create an unsatisfying experience. I check pressure when I move to a different body part. The lower back, the neck, and the leg may require a different amount of force. The experienced therapist generally senses what the right pressure is. They feel the muscle push back if the pressure is too much. This usually takes several years of experience, but even those experienced therapists check on pressure by asking the client, even if most of the time they sense what's needed. 6. Follow through. This is an important aspect of the professional relationship that many therapists ignore or they don't understand it. For example, if you recommend an exercise, follow up the next time to make sure they're doing it correctly. If you recommend a nutritionist or a physician, promptly send them the contact information. Don't forget to do it. Good follow-through on what you recommend sets you apart from others. 7. Refer out when needed. If you have the ability to figure out what's causing a person's pain, but it's not something that you can treat, refer them to get the proper treatment. When you refer the client to someone who can actually help them, they're so grateful that they refer their friends and their family to you. When you have good communication skills, take their requests seriously, and make them feel truly heard, you build trust. And if you're able to be a trusted guide in resolving chronic pain, people will trust you so much that they will tell everyone about you. That's why I'm passionate about teaching massage therapists about pain assessment and treatment. You can start at no cost today by trying out my Anatomy in Action subscription service. Just click the link in the description below. Trust, safety, and connection are the foundations of great massage therapy. But there's always more to learn. If you want to keep discovering how to elevate your practice, hit subscribe for more insights every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.